Top 10 Computer Repair in Staten Island. 1. CPR Cell Phone Repair, 5/11/38 reviews, Northfield Avenue. 2. Aurora Computer Technology, Inc., 5/122 reviews, Cary Avenue. 3. MicroSky MS-NYC Data Recovery Services, Managed IT Services, 5/112 reviews, South Avenue No. 300. 4. Qualitech Computers, 5/42 reviews, 3rd Street. 5. Computer Configurations, 5/1 reviews, Amherst Avenue. 6. TDR, Staten Island, Drop-Off, 5/1 reviews, Victory Boulevard. 7. Stop and Fix It, 4.9 361 reviews, Post Avenue Suite 5. 8. Dr. Computers, 4.9 357 reviews, please use side door entrance. 9. SALVAGEDATA Recovery Services, 4.9 33 reviews, Forest Avenue. 10. HYLAN Computer Repair, 4.8 117 reviews, Armstrong Avenue.